Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Straight to the Point walkthroughs with mirkgames.com. In this video, I'll be playing the Math Tank educational game, which helps guys and girls and whatever kids to be better at math while having fun, and I really like the game. Let's begin. You can see there are a few modes here: fractions, rounding, factors, average, even, odd, multiplication, comparison, algebra, etc, etc. I'm just going to choose the algebra, and there is a difficulty level as well. I'm going to choose the normal one, and let's begin. The game will give us a tip. Now the tips say that you can stop and start the tank if you're having troubles resolving the mathematical problem. So you can stop it by clicking on it. You also switch sides of the moving lanes, let's call them moving lanes, by clicking left or right. And you can use the hint before each minefield to figure out which one is the dot, and that's where you can pass. So the goal is pass the mine by resolving the math problem. You can see now 4 times y equals 24. What is 4? Well, I would guess then 4 is a 7, and that would be more difficult if you're playing at a higher difficulty. Now this game is awesome, I really like it. 17 plus y equals 41, so that should be, what should that be? That should be 24. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm going to show this to my son when he's old enough, because it's a lot of fun and you can really learn some math and also have fun with the game itself. One important thing to know: when you're passing those minefields, don't move left or right, because if you end up on the wrong number, it would be a mistake. So sorry, 28 minus y equals 14, so the 28, so that should be 14, right? Yeah. I'm talking at the same time as speaking, and it's a bit harder. So 26 minus y equals 17, then definitely the answer is 9. And of course there are other type of modes, so whatever you have to practice, you can practice it here, and it's a really good idea to play this game. 17 plus y equals 25. Even if you're an adult and you need to practice some math, I don't know why that you will need that, but you can still do it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also go online on mirkgames.com and play your favorite games. Y should be 21 in this mathematical challenge. 3 times y equals 51. What should y be? Now my guess would be 17. Let's see. Yep, it's 17. Sorry, no more stopping of the tank. No more stopping of the tank. I just wanted to make sure I'm not passing the wrong mine. Once you pass the wrong mine, your tank will explode and you have to start anew, which is, I would say, perfectly normal. I'm still at level 1. It's quite a long level, probably level to be even longer than that, and I'm actually interested to see what level 2 will offer me. And I hope level 1 will be over soon so we can see it together. Yep, there's the finish line. I'm collecting some cash and I'm soon to be there. The tank is slow, but then again, you need to do some calculations in your mind, so that makes perfect sense. Great stuff. Let's see what level 2 has to offer us. Level 2 coming up. And yeah, probably the tasks, the mathematical problems would be harder, or I think the tank is a bit faster. 19 plus y equals 44, so that's 25. Yeah, I think the tank is a bit faster. That should be it. It's not that the problems themselves are harder to resolve, it's just to solve. It's actually the tank being faster, but that's perfectly fine because it's still making it a bit harder. Let's see if I'll be able to grab that coin. Yep, yay, I managed to do it. 13 plus y equals 38, so 25 is the correct answer again here. Go ahead, play this and other educational and logical online games online, or just share them with your kids so they can have some fun while studying, if that's ever possible. I think that's one way for you to make it possible, so kudos to the developers, that's what I can say. 36 minus y equals 14, that should be 22. Would it? Should it? Could it? Yep, I think that's the case. And yeah, so the tank is definitely faster. I lost my English and my grammar. 20 minus y equals, yep, that's 8. And I'm going to be showing you more educational games very soon. I really believe that games are a great way of educating oneself. I myself have learned a lot from games and Discovery Channel, Animal Planet, such channels which have educational information in them. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to click that. Anyway, you got the idea. I'm not going to continue the game. You go and do it yourself. Play Maths Tank on mirgames.com. See if you can beat my high score and see if you can solve all the equations. Thank you for watching.